Birthday mode 1-on-1. Today, this beautiful young lady becomes an adult. Yes, yes, yes. And the first thing I want to do for her today is treat her to a mani and a pedi. Yes, we are visiting Glam Nails in Darwin. And guys, trust me, nice, clean, sweet. She is being pampered, treated like a queen. She's loving it. And I am loving it too. It's a good thing when you can make your girl happy. And while she's doing her thing, I'm over here being massaged. And I love it. The massaging is so sweet. But big up Glam Nails. They did an awesome job. And the wifey totally loves it. And this is just the start to an awesome day. Big up to my girl. Happy birthday to you. Hey, Candy Pie, I love you. And you know. Look how she look nice, man. Cheese and peace.